I'm Clemens Jargon, and I'm presenting the HyFlex division and how we serve the factory solutions for the assembly market here. And you see here an illustration how we improve everybody's life. This is two children. One of them wears an almost invisible hearing aid, and this is a masterpiece of electronics. This helps this kid to contribute to communication, to life. And our customer who allowed us to use this picture, they have only been able to produce this miniaturized, high quality, high advanced electronic equipment because they use our jet printing technology, which helps them to create this device for these kids. This is another illustration, an illustration of a PCB assembly line. And what does it do? What does it mean when I talk about PCB assembly? In fact, what we do is that we have factory equipment who helps to bring the components together which you need to make an advanced PCB for electronics application. There's lots of different materials, components. They come in various sizes, small like grain of sand, up to bigger integrated circuits or bigger processors with lots of connection points. And they need to be connected to a circuit board. And these printed circuit boards come in various sizes. They come rigid, they come flexible, they come as a square, round, they come in odd shapes. And these components need to be brought together in a solid, rigidized way with the PCB to make it a final assembled PCB. And this assembled PCB is the electronics part which goes into everything what is electrified, which can be turbines of an energy solution, which is desperately needed in these days. It can be industrial solutions for robotics, or it can be any electronics which you find yourself in your cars. This is what we offer. And what is it about when you are offering a PCB assembly line? It's about throughput. It's about trying to get the best and the most efficient output out of your assembly line. And we have a lot of different process steps which I will introduce you now in the coming slides to that you see what we offer. But it's not only the hardware, it's about connecting all of these pieces together with software. It's software and hardware. You need to connect not only the different hardware steps together, you also need to be able to connect your production solution to customer's factory. And this is what is important for us, that we offer here a one-stop shop solution for our customers, from jet printing, pick and place, inspection solutions, material handling, and also dispensing and coding equipment for components which might be used in a more harsh environment. What does a jet printer do? A jet printer brings the solder paste on the connection point of a PCB. And without the solder paste, you can't connect the components. Otherwise, they would fall apart. And here, you have very high requirements for high quality solder joints. We can do board revision on the fly, and we allow customers to do very fast, almost zero changeover times when they change over from one to the other product. And this is the true competition here, and a much better solution to screen printers, and also a more sustainable way, because we use much less solder paste for the same, in the same way like others with screen printers do. Typical customers for these solutions are electronic manufacturers who have very frequent changeovers, NPIs for example. This is a truly software-driven platform. It's pure mathematics. It's algorithms which we have developed here, and there's less time for changing over. But also high volume customers who have specific requirements for applications, like the one you have seen on the first page with the hearing aid, they are used to use our technology. And after jet printing, the next process steps would be an SPI, a solder paste inspection machine. This makes sure that there's really no single defect on the board. There is no chance to compromise on a missing solder dot. There's no chance to compromise on not correct volume on a dot. Yeah? And the SPI can make sure that we have a possibility to eliminate any error and to be very accurate and consistent in the way how we deposit the solder paste on the PCB. manufacturers with high reliability requirements, but any other who wants to secure high yield will use our solution here for an SPI. The center of a PCB line is the pick and place or the component placement machines. Here we do high accuracy mounting, and here you need to be able, and I talked in the beginning about components small like grain of sand and large processors. All of these different sizes of components need to be handled by a pick and place machine. And this is what Mycronic's pick and place machine does here. Most important also, I think that we have here a very high utilization, that we have a high throughput, and that we will constantly be able to produce and provide highest quality. And any customer with high value, high quality requirements decides for Mycronic's component placement solutions. An AOI, an automated optical inspection system, is what we then provide as another solution after placement or after reflowing of a PCBA, because here we would like to make sure that highest production quality is given, that we can improve from the beginning onwards first pass yield, and that we can identify any imaginable process step problem which might appear during the production phase. And we do this by a robust and easy programming solution, also using already here AI. And we really made it to bring AI, artificial intelligence, from being a buzzword into a contributor to our software solution. Everybody of you know face recognitions, which you might use on your phones. That's a similar solution what we have here, that we do high quality pictures from the boards, compare against a database, then we make sure that really nothing can go wrong, that we can deliver highest quality. Just imagine a mistake would have happened on producing the board, and we send, for example, a board in a satellite into the air. You can't send an engineer to repair it. You need to make sure that everything is absolutely correct. And this is what we can provide by using our AOI solutions. The last part of the MyPro line offering, what we have here, is the material handling solution. I told you about many different sizes of components, but they also come in different packages. They come on reels, but they also come in other packages, in arrays. They come in sticks, and all of these different components need to be provided near to the production line to make sure that we have a constant material flow between the warehouse and the production machine. And this towers helps not only to have constantly the right material at the line, it also helps the operator to avoid that we have misplaced or mispicked components, because the tower, the material handling solution, is connected via software to the pick and place machine. They talk to each other and they make sure that always the right components are provided at the line for the production and for the assembly of the board. Next to the MyPro equipment, we have our MySmart equipment. This is because of our close collaboration with our colleagues from the high volume division. Here we provide dispensing and conformal coating solution to our customers, which is important because we have seen that more and more requirements request dispensing and connecting, gluing of components in different ways on PCBAs, and also they require conformal coating to protect boards and components against harsh environments. And you have here two examples. One is our MySmart series, a dispensing solution for different packages. And here you see a spray coater who protects certain areas of a board when it goes, for example, into an automotive solution. The market size is huge. We talk about $6.2 billion. And more than half of this is represented by pick and place machines, which is also the most expensive part of a piece of a factory solution. And the others is screen printers, jet printers, inspection machines. And we see a very stable, very robust growth in our market. I think everybody sees and knows, I think that really electronics industry is continuously growing. The demand for electronics is continuously growing. And this is what we see is very stable. We also know for sure we have a couple of competitors, and we appreciate competing with them in that market. But we're also proud about that there's not so many of them who can really offer this complete solution what we have in our portfolio. And we appreciate customers coming to us when they need the whole line from us, which we can serve, from jet printing, pick and place inspection, material handling, and also dispensing and conformal coating. Our customers would like to mount any component on the board. They would like to do it on highest quality, with zero changeover times, and with the highest possible first pass yield. And I brought a video from one of the customers, a Danish customer, Mycronic, who produces linear actuators, and they would like to present now how they see the electronics markets and why they have chosen to work with Mycronic.
Mycronic er en dansk familieejet virksomhed, der er global markedsleder inden for lineære elektriske aktuatorer, som blandt andet anvendes på kontorer, hospitaler og i landbruget. Fra hovedkvarteret på Als producerer Mycronic en del af den elektronik, der anvendes i virksomhedens løsninger. Tæt på udviklingsafdelingen og tæt på egen produktion. Her spiller automation en vigtig rolle.
Vi investerer løbende i automation her på Als, som for os her på printfabrikken betyder hurtigere og mere fleksibel produktion og kunne betjene vores kunder internt og eksternt. Vi producerer rigtig mange kundespecifikke varianter i små ordrestørrelser helt ned til enkelte ark. Det sætter store krav til vores fleksibilitet, og så sætter det krav til hurtige omstillingstider. Så vi har været på markedet efter en total løsning, der kunne give os netop det.
Løsningen blev en total løsning for Eltraco Automation i form af en komplet SMT-linje fra Mycronic med tilhørende towerløsning til opbevaring og levering af komponenter. Linjen består blandt andet af en My 300 pick-and-place-maskine samt 2 My 700 jetprintere. De 2 jetprintere supplerer hinanden og sikrer dermed den nødvendige kapacitet og fleksibilitet.
Ja, det vi har installeret her ved Mycronic er en topmoderne produktionslinje, som lige præcis honorerer et meget, meget fleksibelt produktionsmiljø, hvor man fra det ene øjeblik kan køre en produktion på en prototype, et stykke print, til den næste produktion er måske en 100 styks print, og man kan lave den her omstilling mellem de her forskellige produktioner ekstremt effektivt og hurtigt. Og det er det, der er kendetegnet, hvis man skal kunne konkurrere, og hvis man vil og skal kunne producere i Danmark, så er det kendetegnet. Det er simpelthen et must.
Vi har fået en moderne linje, som har øget vores konkurrenceevne i forhold til prototypefremstilling, til den lokale udviklingsafdeling og små ordrestørrelser til interne og eksterne kunder.
Our mission is to continue to grow in the home turf. And when I say home turf, I mean the market which we address here, which is high mix, low volume, but also there are certain beyond that selected applications where we are strong because of our unique portfolio. And here we have a strong market position already. We continue to grow here because we see us growing and we see the market growing. We want to extend the business into new markets. So Anders mentioned at the beginning that we now extend our business going towards Mexico. We already serve a couple of these tier 1 customers who have already settled there due to the macroeconomic changes. And we will continue to grow there because we see this is a real vast market and we need to be very close to customers. We want to broaden our aftermarket offering, not only by and for being close to customers, it's also because this helps us to build a continuous recurring revenue stream. The aftermarket business is an extremely essential part of our business, and this helps to grow us together with our customers. And we continue, and you have seen the numbers in the beginning when Pierre presented, we will continue to be a sustainable, profitable part contributing to Mycronic, because this is for us essential, because when you're sustainable, profitable, then you can also sustain with your contribution, developing and innovating with your products. Sustainability also means for us that we have to contribute to the sustainability targets from Mycronic. And we don't do it only by the example what I showed with the jet printer. We're also continuously improving our operational footprint, and then therefore help really to reach our ambitious targets we have in front of us, because this is extremely important for us. We want to be continuously the #1 high-flex solution provider in the PCB assembly market. Our customers continuously challenge us with new product mixes, with new innovations, and they also continuously challenge us with new perspectives. And this is what makes this business so attractive, because that's what we like. We like to be innovative partners for our customers, and we also like to be always available with new products and new ideas to be able to help our customers with zero defect electronics, with highest utilization, to be able here to serve our customers for any product mix they ask us to support with our solutions. Thank you.